Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr.D F&B Trainer YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn how to serve the perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a complete beginner, this step-by-step guide will help you brew and serve a delightful cup of coffee. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. For this demonstration, we'll need freshly roasted coffee beans, filtered water, a coffee grinder, a scale, a kettle, a coffee maker such as a drip brewer or a French press, and your favorite coffee mug or cup. The key to a great cup of coffee is accurate measurements. Start by measuring your coffee beans using a scale. We recommend a ratio of 1:15 to 1:18 coffee to water for a balanced cup. Grind the coffee beans to a medium coarseness, similar to sea salt, which works well for most brewing methods. Now, let's heat our filtered water. Use a kettle and heat the water to just below boiling point, around 195,205 degrees Fahrenheit, 96 degrees Celsius. Water temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors from the coffee. There are various brewing methods to choose from, but today, we'll demonstrate two popular methods: the drip brewer and the French press. For the drip brewer, add the ground coffee to the filter in your coffee maker. Place the coffee maker on your coffee pot or carafe. Slowly pour the hot water over the coffee grounds in a circular motion, ensuring all the coffee is evenly saturated. Let it brew for around 3-4 minutes. For the French press, add the ground coffee to the empty press. Pour the hot water over the grounds, ensuring they are all submerged. Stir the coffee gently to ensure even extraction. Place the lid on top but don't press down yet. Let it steep for about 4 minutes. While the coffee is brewing, let's prepare our coffee cup. Preheat the cup by filling it with hot water and letting it sit for a moment. Then, discard the water. Now, the coffee is ready to be served. For the drip brewer, carefully pour the coffee into the preheated cup, avoiding any spills. And for the French press, slowly press down the plunger to separate the coffee grounds from the liquid. You can enjoy your coffee as is, or if you like, you can add some extras like milk, cream, sugar, or flavored syrups. Personalize it to your taste preferences. Serving procedures. The coffee service is very similar to tea service. Let's look at the steps involved. Step 1. Set up the tray with the heaviest items in the middle and everything else arranged around them. Depending on the order, the tray could be set up with coffees, a milk jug, sugar, if required, appropriate sauces and teaspoons. Step 2. Serve the coffees starting with the ladies at the table. All the handles and spoons should face the same direction to the right of the guest. Step 3. Invite the guests to enjoy their coffees. For both tea and coffee service, if you notice that the guest is left-handed, you can tailor your services by facing the cup handle and spoon to the left. Congratulations! You've learned how to serve a delicious cup of coffee using both the drip brewer and the French press methods. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at making the perfect cup tailored just for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content. Thanks for watching Mr.D F&B Trainer YouTube channel, and happy brewing!
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe us. Give us a thumbs up over with your valuable comment down there. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Thank you for watching.